Most people think saving money is just about discipline. But here's the surprising truth. The tools you use matter just as much. And in 2026, the Union Savings app is still getting attention for one big reason. It makes saving feel automatic instead of painful. Union Savings app is designed for everyday savers, not finance experts. The moment you sign up, it connects to your bank and analyzes your income and spending patterns. Instead of asking you how much you want to save, it suggests realistic amounts based on your actual cash flow. Most people get this wrong by setting goals that are too aggressive. But Union Savings focuses on consistency over perfection. One of its standout features is automated micro-saving. Small amounts are moved into savings after transactions or paydays, often so subtly that users barely notice. Over time, this adds up. For example, saving just $5 to $10 a few times a week can turn into several $100s in a year without major lifestyle changes. The app also offers goal-based savings buckets. Whether you're saving for emergencies, travel, or a large purchase, each goal has its own progress tracker. You won't believe how motivating it is to visually watch your savings grow in real time. Union Savings app emphasizes safety and transparency. There are no hidden penalties for withdrawing funds, and all savings rules can be adjusted or paused instantly. That flexibility is a major plus for people with irregular income. The downside is that Union Savings app is not an investing platform. It's strictly focused on building savings habits, not growing wealth aggressively. And conclusion, Union Savings app in 2026 is still worth it if your goal is to save consistently without stress or complex planning. If you want more honest reviews that break down what actually works, make sure to subscribe for more.